Hello.
Hello.
So we are on MSC Grandiosa. Is it Osa?
Osa.
And this might be weird, but sometimes these showers are a little confusing of how to turn the water on. Like I got in this morning, I couldn't figure out, it was scalding hot. So we're going to show you how to work the shower. Okay, so we're going to show you how to navigate the shower. Because believe it or not, it's a little confusing.
Which is nice. This doesn't have a curtain that goes up your butt crack. So it opens up. It's a small bathroom, but the shower is surprisingly pretty good size. Now, this is detachable, as you can see. My issue is it likes to turn this way and that. So you can grab this and hold on. You can actually kind of turn this around. I like to work it back behind the knobs and then over and in, and then it pretty much stays where you want it. You can turn this so you can twist it and you can move it up and down.
For us short people.
Yeah, I like it all the way up, and then just tighten this down, put it in.
Now how do we work the
The left side, this knob turns water off and on. So you turn it all the way, push this button in, turn the knob down, and that sets your water pressure. The right side knob is cold, is upward, and then hot. It stops. You have to push this button in to go down. I like it really hot. That's why Mary got scalded, because I left it kind of hot. But the right side is your temperature. Left side is the water pressure off and on.
Easy
It comes
peasy.
with shampoo and shower gel. So the shampoo is not too bad at all. Shower gel is fine again. And so if you need conditioner, you're going to want to bring that yourself. They give you a nice little rack in here for us fat people to wash our feet and not fall over. And give us a handle. But again, I can move in here pretty nicely.
Yeah.
Again, other ones like to ride right there, and it's not fun. You're constantly pulling it out. So it's a welcomed addition. You also get your clothesline. This, let me get it in there, is a nice place to hang your wet
Bathing suits.
bathing suits.
Washcloths.
And we also have some metal magnetic clips that stick right in here if you need to hang them up as well. They'll stick in anywhere in the bathroom. Now, Mary will pan around down here. You could talk about that little device. That has been
This has been a lifesaver, which you can't see it right now, but it is a night light and it's automatic. So instead of turning the giant bright light on when you use the bathroom in the middle of the night, it just carefully comes on when you walk in, and it's nice.
It's very nice.
So we don't trip.
Dim.
Yeah.
It's enough light to see, and you don't have to turn anything off or on. You don't have to wake the whole cabin up and
Yeah.
turn the lights on.
That's great.
So it's wonderful for that. And also in here, right behind Mary, is a nice little mirror.
Ah!
So you can move it around, as you can see. And then behind you, I'll let Mary show you the rest of the bathroom. It's small.
Hi.
Hi.
But it works.
But it works.
That's
It's
great.
fine. If you need a
Storage.
bigger toilet, go next to the buffet or down by the theater bathrooms.
Yeah. So there you go. Bathroom tour.
That's it.